Come here, this one more people. You know they say all that all that glitters is not gold. Me learn a lesson today. Dollarama teach me a lesson. So I'm going to Dollarama and I see so nice, bright colored kangaroos. Supposed to be scented kangaroos, right? Nicely packaged, of course, cheap, right? Because we're in Dollarama. Mm-hmm. Package look nice and so and the color them bright and popping. And so whenever like I clean up and so I like to light a candle here and there. So I took them up and just how much it wasn't much, it was cheap. But it looked pretty. All that glitter is not gold. So me clean up the place so me take out me pretty candle. And me light and me I go and sweep up so and then start start smell something. And me say, then how could I think so? And me say, how was that? And me walk past the candle. Think ya? Oh my God. Me say, then I always up looking so bright and pretty things so. Oh, I don't know who tell Dollarama about my fragrance. Yeah. You understand? There's nothing fragrancing about this fragrance. Oh my God. So, me have to get rid of this smell now because it did the opposite of what it was intended to do. But I swear God, me love when, it look glittering and pretty and so. I me never really bother taking for smell and so, 'cause I was drawn by the looks thereof. You understand? So it is. A lot of things that the Lord is keeping us from. It looks so nicely packaged and thing. But if you ever make we take it and open thereof the contents, put a light to the contents thereof. Because, I mean, without it being lit, I would not have known the fragrance or the odor, in this case, of the candle. It is so, when things look so pretty to us, if the Lord don't use his word to light it and give us just a whiff of the awfulness of what we think we want or we need or we gravitate towards, we would not know. But thank God for his mercy. A lot of the prettiness, him allows to just leave them on the shelf. Yeah, because that's not what we want. It looks nice and alluring and inviting, but when it goes against the light of his word, ooh, when that word get ignited with that thing, it shows up exactly what is in that thing, and we wouldn't want to have anything to do with it. So that was a lesson I got from this. So let us not be discouraged all the time when whatever seemingly should have been does not. If he does not allow it to come up our path, because he knows the odor that would ignite in our lives should the light of his word get close to whatever that thing is. It will bring about, instead of a sweet smelling fragrance, it will be an odorous thing that we would not appreciate and we want to get rid of it. So that's a lesson that I was taught. Be blessed.